In a world that is so loud, we often forget that to our Norse ancestors, silence was an invaluable resource and a very necessary skill.
God is a vow, he's a vow all the same.
We humans are so accustomed to sounds that no one wants to experience real silence. Think about it. How often do you escape silence?
God is a promise in health and decay.
Machine tracks, sirens, airplanes, loudspeakers, horns, beeps, headsets and lawnmowers. The sound of progress is constantly within and without. My land, the Arctic, is a very silent land. They call it the land where you can hear your thoughts, and silence was medicine to the ancestors of these lands. Our Norse ancestors could literally reconstruct an entire environment, animals, wind direction, presence of landmarks and ley lines, waterbeds nearby, by practicing the art of silence. We often fail in addressing silence as the opposite of noise, when in reality it is truly just the opposite of us not wanting to listen. This world is deafening us, and we allow this process every day. This world is teaching us that practicing silence in front of a majestic mountain, looking at the ruggedness of the Arctic Ocean, is a tragic waste of time. In an era where silence feels almost extinct, noise has become a comfort blanket, so warm and cozy that we can bury in it our entire life. Everything shields us against our loneliness, and seeking silence and solitude these days is almost countercultural. In the north of Norway, offerings of silence to the land, the gods, the sacrificial stones were the most valuable ones. Silence was observed when crossing villages in the presence of elders during ceremonies. Have you ever thought your silence could be the most precious offering to our Norse gods? Reverence for what is important is a lost practice. I can guarantee you the gods won't be found nor heard in an overstimulated environment. It's by stepping off the train of continuous, repetitive, loud that you can create and merge with a space where the gods can emerge.